Hi, hello and welcome back to my living room, for starters, but my channel and another weekly vlog. Thank you so much for coming. Take a seat, have some popcorn. I mean, I would say have some popcorn, but I'm really not that entertaining. Honestly, I'm a girl with chins on chins, you know, but basically over the last week, I don't know, this video has been going viral about YouTube creators, content makers, the platform itself. And I'm saying this personally from a small creator. I only have 138 subscribers, so I can't really do a lot of talking here. But the fact of the matter is, it has affected my channel a lot. Now, granted, my YouTube videos haven't been getting a lot of views to begin with anyway. I only started YouTube like, what, 18 months ago? Properly again. I've had my channel since like 2011, on and off, been doing YouTube videos, but I've probably been sticking to it for the past 2 years. I used to get between 50 and 100 views on my videos within a week. Now, within a week, I'm lucky if I get 20. But basically, some bright spark, idiot, know-it-all apparently, has said that it doesn't matter if you are subscribed to the content creator. It does not matter if you press the little icon, like the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That doesn't matter if you're not active enough. Basically what they're saying is if you are more active on YouTube, whether you actually make content or whether you watch YouTube videos every single day, if you are very active on YouTube, YouTube as a platform will push your YouTubers' videos to you. So if you are subscribed to me, for example, and I upload on a Sunday and a Tuesday, you who are more active on YouTube are more likely to see my content first without having to physically type in my name and go through my channel and then find it. Whereas people who are subscribed to me who are probably not as active, basically you just don't get the notification that I have uploaded, what is the point of me scheduling my videos if my subscribers are not seeing them? What's the point of me scheduling my videos for you guys, for you not to see them? Because YouTube is basically saying, yes, this YouTuber has made content, it is now live, but only 50 of her subscribers are going to see it because they are active. YouTube, people have a life, people have work to do. People go to school like Monday through Friday. Like, people have a life other than a fucking laptop. I make content firstly for myself. This is a hobby. This is therapeutic for me. I really enjoy doing this. And I also make content for you guys, which is my second point of this. I make content for you guys. What is the point of having a subscribe button if it's fucking pointless? Like, honestly, what is the point of having a subscribe button? Because once you press that subscribe button, you still don't get notifications that that person's uploaded. So what's the point? Have you just put that there for it to look fucking pretty? That's my Twitter. Like what? What is the point of a subscribe button? It was bad enough having the subscribe button and then pressing the fucking bell icon. And now you press the subscribe button, you press the fucking bell icon because you've been told to, yet you still don't get notified. Like, I click the subscribe button because I want to see that person's content. I want to see that person's videos. I want to support them. Not what YouTube wants me to fucking watch. This isn't Netflix. This isn't suggestions and recommendations of a TV show you've already fucking watched. If I've subscribed to Zoella, it's because I want to see her shit. Not what you want me to see or when you want me to see it. In a nutshell, YouTube wants you to see what YouTube wants you to see. So it doesn't matter if you are subscribed to Zoella, Joe Sugg, PewDiePie, Logan fucking Paul, which is a waste of space. It doesn't matter if you are subscribed to those content makers. YouTube will only push through the content that they want you to see. So it doesn't matter if you are a small creator with 50 subscribers or a big subscriber with 18 mil. It has affected everyone. So despite the fact that the subscribe button is practically non-existent, please press it all the same. It shows me that there are people out there who do like my content. Please press that bell button also so you sometimes might get notified. I mean, it may happen, it may not. But please press that subscribe button if you do like my content all the same, because it shows me that there's someone out there who watches them. And part 2 of this rant, it's not really a rant, it's just like an addressment. Is that even a word? Oh no, I just need to address something, which I have come to realise on my channel. I vlog with my phone, which is probably the worst quality ever. But I feel that when I vlog with my phone, it's more personal. But when I'm sat here beautifully in front of like the messiest couch and a random chair and like 2 photos, just to point out that I have a messy living room. Lifestyle of the rich and famous. But when I am sat down here, I record on my iPad, which wasn't necessarily the plan to begin with. I had to do something on here, but I had to vlog at the same time. Last week, I noticed a very big difference in the quality on my iPad and on my phone. When I was down here, I was filming the Try Not to Sing challenge on my iPad, and I was listening to it through my phone. And when I put the footage from my iPad into the vlog with the footage from my phone, there was a clear discrepancy between the 2 qualities. So I just want to like see this now, that if I'm ever sat down here, it may look more crisp because I'm using an iPad, but for the rest of it, I am using my phone. I'm updating my phone this year in August when my contract ends, so I will be updating my phone, which hopefully means my quality in filming will update, change, get better. I'm not a tech whiz when it comes to stuff like this, but yeah, that was just the other thing that I needed to mention, that if there is a change in quality, then you know why. But yes, that is everything that I wanted to say. It was a bit of a rant about YouTube, but I had to say it because I've seen quite a few other YouTubers mention it in their videos, like YouTubers anally fisted them, like they have anally fisted me and many other small content creators. The rant probably didn't make any sense to the majority of you anyway, but I feel the need to get it off my chest, you know? Get a cat, they say. It'll be fun, they say. I'm just snacking on these. They're not so healthy, but they taste so good. So good. I am currently a domestic goddess because all of that is washing. Got a boohoo order to go through, so I thought I'd sit down and show you. I put a load of washing in. Need to put a second load of washing in. Got my boohoo order to go through, so I'm going to sit down now and show you what I bought. The cat is doing cat duties. My TV is on. Still haven't eaten because I ended up being a domestic goddess like I've just said. Hello. How are you? I was never really a Diet Coke fan. I always used to drink full fat, but now times have changed. Love me some Diet Coke. Boohoo has arrived. I ordered this. Don't judge me. I see you judging me, okay? Yes, you are adorable. Yes, you are. You're very adorable, but I've got to show the peoples what I bought. I do. I also have a cold, I think, or the flu, or something like that that involves the sniffles. I bought 2 items from Boohoo. This is the first one. This is a top. This was £10, I believe, if I remember rightly. This! It just basically says United States in the pink box, and it has Chicago in that flowy grey writing. It's kind of like metallic writing, but I thought this would be super cute with some like black leggings, or some like mum shorts, or some like mum jeans with like some trainers with like a flannel around. You know, like really like dance mums, like casual AF, but you still kind of like want to look cute. And I bought this in like a size 18 because your girl ain't small in the chest department, so I need space to breathe, but I also prefer my tops to be like oversized because it makes my boobs look a little bit smaller, you know? And then the last thing I got, which I may actually have to stand up for, is this long line kimono tied waist situation. It's a nice floral print. It's really baggy on the arms. I think it's super cute. This with like a black top tucked into like some black high-waisted jeans, like black ankle boots, and this would be very grunge, very 90s, very me. That's why I bought it. So like an all black outfit with like an accent piece would be really cute. Or like an all white with like an accent piece would be really cute. But that is everything that I have bought. Like I said, I only bought like 2 things. That cost me like £30, I think, something like that. Hello from from a very miserable Tuesday morning. It's now 11:15. I've been up since 9 o'clock because of the postman woke me up at 9 o'clock by like trying to break down the door, I swear. But today I am recording, that's why I'm looking super cute with no makeup on today. So here is the setup and a very messy situation. So I am going to record a makeup video and then I will catch you when I'm going to make dinner or something. But it's very gloomy and miserable out, so I am not leaving the house today. I wanted to leave the house, go for a walk if it was nice, but honestly, it's so miserable. Look how miserable it is out today. Ugh. It's just rain, rain and more rain. England's not that great in March. I look ridiculously crazy. I can't wait to get this makeup off. In complete honesty, I do want to take this makeup off because I am looking like some real housewife shit right now, like crazy. But it's like 1:45 and I said that I would do a wear test on the foundation that I'm wearing at 3 o'clock and at 6 o'clock today. So I have another 4 hours of looking like a crazy person. It's Tuesday, which means takeaway night. So even more healthy food. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Do I look crazy? Bitch, please. Yes, I look very crazy. So I'm gonna go so you don't have to see this horrific face anymore, and I will have my chicken nuggets and chips. I'm going to catch up on the Wendy Williams show because I'm sad like that, but low-key love it at the same time. Not gonna lie.
Nobody sees, nobody knows. We are a secret, can't be exposed. That's how it is, that's how it goes. Far from the others, close to each other. In the daylight, when the sun is shining. On the late night, when the moon is blinded. In the plain sight, like stars in hiding. You and I burn on to and together forever.
Hello, it is Wednesday and I'm just making some pasta, so... Ooh, what a fun. I've been having a proper pamper session today. I've done like 5 different face masks. I'm having a completely pamper pyjama day. I've been in bed editing all day, so this is like the first you've seen of me of all Wednesday. For love. Nailed it. Such a good singer. I'm in like my pyjamas, like I'm just living life. Got Taco Tell's album going while I make my mother some pasta. She wanted me to make her some pasta that I made the other day, which was basically pasta with a little bit of mayonnaise and some cheese, some coleslaw, some potato salad, lettuce and cucumber, and that's literally all it was. So technically, as of right now, it is Cooking with Jess segment of this vlog. This is literally what I look like when there's so much drama going on Twitter. I'm just there like, oh my god! This is literally me right now. There's so much drama going on my timeline anyway, so I'm just here like scrolling like a madman trying to keep up with everything. Oh no, that actually scared the crap out of me. So the pasta is nearly done, she says, as she's practically tried to blow the place up. So I'm just going to start cutting up my cucumber. And I do concentrate when I am cutting up things in general because the amount of times that I have cut my fingers, cut my hands open on food is freaking unreal. Trust me, it hurts. I would not recommend to anyone. My mum came home with this yesterday from work and she was like, yeah, we're having an entire cake because it was someone's birthday, and they were like, here, have a birthday cake. So now I have this staring at me every single day. It's honestly horrible. I'm out here trying to be healthy with fucking salads and my mother comes home with the biggest cake ever. Why? But that's essentially what that looks like. And again, that's 2 days worth of food as well, so my mum can... How the hell do I operate this then? It's a new like lunchbox situation, Tupperware, and I ain't got a clue on how to use this. What? Also, I got this in the mail today. My mother bought me this by surprise. And it's basically the new foundation by Tarte. It's the hydrating foundation, plus a lipstick, a mascara, a palette. I shall show you maybe later today or tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday morning. It is the next day. And I thought that I would go through this little guide that my mum bought me yesterday. I showed you guys in the last clip, but I just never got round to showing you guys, so I thought I would show you today. This is the Shape Up Your Routine Discovery set from Tarte, which I got, well, my mother got from QVC for me. It is a 2, 4, 6 piece set. I had to count them. And this is the first thing that comes with it. This is a very big cosmetics bag, wash bag. My voice is going really badly for some reason. But this is a very decent sized wash bag. So that's super cute, very handy because I have a lot of makeup. Also in this set is a lipstick, and this, I die for this packaging. Aqua Marble, I live for it. And this is in the shade Escape, and this is a really nice, gorgeous orange tone red, so it's not really a red that I would wear, but it's definitely a red shade that my mother will wear, so my mother is keeping that. Next is a mascara. This is my go-to holy grail favourite mascara. I would not suggest or recommend any other mascara other than this one, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It has blown the Glam Lash by Laura Geller out the water. It's no longer in this same hemisphere. I honestly love this mascara, and this is like my 4th one now. Next is this really cute palette. I honestly love this palette, and this is the Leave Your Mark palette. Honestly thought this was the Don't Quit Your Daydream palette because they look so similar. But these are the colours. So freaking pretty. Very feminine, floral, spring, summer. But with this darker colour right here, you could definitely go from a day to night. And the last 2 things that came in this discovery set was these 2 guys. This is very, very similar to the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I feel. But this is the last thing, and this is the new Shape Tape foundation. This is the hydrating foundation in the shade Fair Beige. So technically this is actually the same shade as my Shape Tape concealer. When this first launched, I was like, oh my god, I need to try it, I need to try it. And then there was a lot of like controversy because there's literally no shades for people who were of a darker skin complexion, which, by the way, if Fenty can bring out 40 shades all at the same time for every single skin colour, every other makeup brand has no excuse. I have had to switch over from my iPad to my phone. My iPad is having like a temper tantrum. I don't know what's going on. It's very temperamental today. So I'm not quite sure how far I spoke about my little kit, but basically I was about to say I'll be intrigued to see how well this foundation performs because I have combinated skin, so this portion of my face gets very oily somewhat quickly. I will probably do a first impressions review on this foundation, so if you would like that, let me know, and I'll probably try it out with this little guy as well. Yes. The people have seen you. I talk to my cat way too much. I have no friends. Like, this pasta never looks appetizing, but honestly, it's so good. It is essentially what I made my mother last night. Essentially. So, I'm going to finish my pasta, catch up on some YouTube. I need to finish off editing the video that I was editing yesterday, which was my makeup video. Do a thumbnail for that as well. And that's probably about it for today. So I am going to end this week's vlog here. But like I said at the start of this video, please hit that subscribe button, the bell button, leave a like, rating or a dislike or a comment, just so I know that there is someone watching my content and liking it or disliking it. But yeah, I will see you in the next video, in next week's vlog. I hope you are having a good day. It's really sunny here in the UK as of right now. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.